Introducing the new CVD coated Cermet grade for finishing, CCX. Designed for greater productivity, the CVD coated Cermet combines a unique Cermet based material with a thick CVD coating. Advance your productivity with higher speed finishing than conventional Cermet products. CCX effortlessly machines a wide range of materials, from soft and general steel to cast iron finishing applications. Improve cycle time with a maximum cutting speed of 800 surface meters per minute. The CCX grade is built with a unique Cermet-based material that is thinly coated by CVD to provide exceptional wear and chipping resistance. When compared to competitors' CVD Cermet, CCX maintained better tool life by significantly reducing the amount of wear generated in high-speed finishing applications. CCX also continues to show great wear resistance as it tested by customers in the field. Accelerate production today with Kyocera's innovative CVD-coated Cermet technology.